Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to hide or unhide any files or folders in your Windows PC. So just press right click of mouse on the folder that you want to hide and press Properties and check this box with Hidden and press Apply. In this window, it is asking if you want to apply these changes to folder only or to folder and subfolders and files. Check second option and press OK. Press OK again. As you can see, the file is now hidden. If you want to unhide or you want to show the hidden files, then go to File Explorer, press File, press Change Folders and Search Options. Check this View tab and select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Then press Apply and OK. Now you can see the hidden file here. Okay guys, this is a pretty straightforward tutorial. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.